Imagine a world where you can escape reality and dive into a universe crafted entirely by your imagination. Welcome to the Metaverse. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the incredible technologies transforming how we experience life online. From gaming to social interactions, the Metaverse encompasses a broad spectrum of experiences. As virtual worlds rapidly evolve, one key technology behind this transformation is digital twins. So, what exactly are digital twins? Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical entities, allowing us to simulate, analyze, and optimize real-world performance. Picture this: a digital twin of a city that helps plan urban development and monitor traffic flows. Fascinating, isn't it? But wait. Did you know that digital twins are not just limited to cities? They're used in everything from healthcare to construction, enhancing efficiency across various industries. How do you think this impacts our future? Now, let's shift gears and talk about avatars, the digital representations of ourselves in the metaverse. These avatars allow us to express our identity in ways that transcend physical limitations. But what makes an avatar truly remarkable? Customization is key. Our avatars can be stylized to reflect our personalities, values, and even aspirations. With advancements in AI, these avatars are becoming increasingly lifelike and capable of mimicking our behaviors. Do you think you would want an AI version of yourself? Before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this deep dive into the metaverse. Your support means the world to us. Now, let's explore persistent online environments, the backbone of the metaverse. These are spaces where your actions and creations remain indefinitely. Imagine building a virtual world where your friends can join you anytime, even after you log off. These environments allow for rich, continuous interaction and storytelling. They're not just games, they're evolving ecosystems. For instance, think about how Fortnite or Second Life has changed the way we socialize online and the potential for even more expansive worlds. Surprisingly, the capabilities of the metaverse extend beyond gaming and entertainment. Businesses are starting to leverage these environments for remote collaboration, creating virtual offices where teams can meet and innovate together. Could this be the future of work? As we look to the future, the metaverse promises to blur the lines between our physical and digital lives. Imagine attending concerts, art exhibitions, or even doing your shopping all from the comfort of your home. The possibilities are endless. To recap, we've explored the enchanting world of the metaverse, from digital twins and avatars to persistent online environments. As technology progresses, the question remains: how will you engage with these digital realms? If you enjoyed this journey through the metaverse, make sure to subscribe for more content on future technologies. Next time, we'll dive deeper into how the metaverse is reshaping industries like education and healthcare. Don't miss it!